Welcome to today's tutorial on distilled water for paint and chemical production. Yes, so I have a student. Like, I usually talk about this my student because he has really improved in his paint manufacturing business, you understand. So David almost gave up. His paint business was falling apart, the color was dull, the texture off, customer walked away, all because of one mistake. He was using ordinary tap water filled with impurity. Yes, you understand. So in this video, you will learn two powerful methods to make your own distilled water right from your kitchen or your workshop. No fancy equipment, just clean, reliable water that guarantees smoother paint finishing and long shelf life and better customer satisfaction. You understand? So I've helped over 100 students worldwide now on how to use distilled water in their formulation from beginners to professional. The results skyrocketed. No more rough finishes, no more complaints. So that is why I've decided to come and teach you that same process. Want to skip the guesswork? Click the link below for a free consultation and get your step-by-step distilled water guide for paint production. Don't wait. This small detail could save your business. You understand? So let's start with the pot and lid method. It is fast, simple, and perfect for small-scale paint producers, which is method 1. So now, the materials need for this process is 1. Large metal pot with lid. 2. One small heat-proof bowl, glass or ceramic. Then tap water, of course, your ice block, stove or gas burner, and a clean airtight storage container. So, step-by-step guide on how to make your distilled water. First, fill the pot halfway with a tap water. Then place the small bowl inside. Make sure it floats or rests above the bottom. Cover with the lid upside down. Add ice cubes on the lid. This helps condense steam. Then heat the pot gently. Please gently. As steam rises, it hits the cold lid, condensing and drips into the bowl. You understand? So let it run for 30 to 45 minutes. Carefully remove your bowl of clean distilled water and store it immediately in a clean container. That is it. Please, a clean container. You understand? Now you've made your first batch, but what if you need more? So here's the second method for large quantities for your large paint production process, which is method 2, solar distiller. So this is the solar distillation method, ideal for eco-friendly, off-grid or high-volume water needed. So the materials we're going to be needing is 1, a shallow tray, black precisely to hold the impure water. 2, a transparent plastic or glass covered or sealant. And the third, 1 collection container for clean water. Then, of course, we need sunlight. Then we have, of course, you need a clean surface or stand. You understand? So now, pour the tap water into the black tray. Place the clean cover over it. Ensure it slopes towards the collection container. Leave it under strong sunlight. The sun heats the water into stream, which condensing on the cover and drips into the container. So now it is slowly, but cost-free. Distill liters of water without lifting a finger. You understand? So whether you use the pot or solar method, keep this in mind. Always store in sealed plastic or glass jar. Please always make sure you cover it. Label your water clearly. Never mix it with tap or borehole water, please, and make large batches and store them. It will save time and improve your paint quality massively. You understand? So you've just unlocked a major secret of professional paint production, and this is just the beginning. You understand? So thank you for watching and see you on our next video. Bye for now.